still with us. Oh, you gotta chill out of your tour. This is your last stop. What you are now about to encounter is the most mysterious metamorphosis phenomenon in the world. What you are about to witness is a lie. Fear not, for I have taken the necessary precautions for your safety and protection. Notice the bars and chains in front of you. They are made of the highest grade steel, so no matter what happens, do not panic! But a word of warning, if you or any member of your party has a heart problem, or is weak at heart, I ask that you please leave now! And now, ladies and gentlemen, meet Zambora of the Amazon. It was 1 year ago today. I was on a secret science expedition in the heart of the Amazon jungle, and I came upon a beautiful woman with supernatural powers to transform into a raging beast. You'll notice the change. Zambora's supernatural powers are so strong, I have been forced to restrain her. Witness now what is baffling my colleagues and supernatural phenomena expressed all over the world. Zambora! Hear me, Zambora! Show me your spirit. Zambora, show me the beast within you. Show your true self, Zambora. Ladies and gentlemen, do not panic. It is under control. You, leave for your safety. Do not panic. You are protected by the steel bars. Zambora's great powers. Thank you for coming to see Zambora. This concludes our House of Horrors tour. But feel free to drop by again soon.
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walkthroughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.